You are watching Tutormage.
Today's topic is based on MELC Most Essential Learning Competency Code M7NS-1F-1. The learner performs operations on rational numbers. Today's objective: at the end of this video, the learner will be able to subtract rational numbers in fraction form. Unahin muna nating pag-usapan ang subtraction of similar fraction. So example, 3 over 11 minus 5 over 11. So ang first step natin is to carry the denominator. So we have 11. Now, step 2, apply addition of integers for the numerator. So we have 3 minus 5. I-add natin ito, unlike sign sila, so ang ating result will be negative 2. And then, of course, carry our denominator. So, for step 3, simplify the fraction if possible. So, kung hindi naman na pwedeng isimplify, ibig sabihin, ang sagot natin ay negative 2 over 11. Ang 3 over 11 minus 5 over 11 ay equal to negative 2 over 11. Next example, 3 over 11 minus negative 5 over 11. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, hindi ko na binago yung fraction, pero iniba ko yung sign ng ating subtrahend. So, unang step pa rin natin ay carry the denominator. Now, next, i-carry na rin natin yung kanilang numerator, 3 minus negative 5. So, step 2 natin, finalize the operation. Kasi di ba dalawa ang sign, meron tayong negative at negative sa taas or minus negative 5. So ang gagawin natin dyan, kunin muna natin yung 3 and then negative times negative, it will give us positive sign na result, then carry 5 over 11. Now, step 3, add the numerator. So 3 plus 5, we have 8 and then carry again the denominator so that we can now proceed to simplifying the fraction. Pero tingnan maigi, ang 8 over 11 ay simplified na. So, ibig sabihin, ang 3 over 11 minus negative 5 over 11 ay equal to 8 over 11. Maliwanag ba? Let's have subtraction of dissimilar fraction. Example, 5 over 9 minus 3 over 7. Step 1, get the LCD or the least common denominator by simply multiplying them. So, 9 times 7 is 63. So, ngayon, sa step 2 natin, divide the LCD 63 by the denominator of the first fraction, which is 9. So, we have 7. Tapos, multiply natin sa kanyang numerator na 5. We got 35. Dalhin din natin yung operation na minus. Tapos sa step 3 natin, gawin naman natin sa kabilang fraction. So yung LCD natin na 63, divide it by 7, we got 9. Then multiply it to its numerator 3, we have 27. So there's another way. Yung mas madali para makuha natin yung numerator. Oops, ito ay applicable lamang kapag pinag-multiply natin yung mga denominators. 5 times 7, it will give us 35. And 3 times 9, it will give us 27. So, 35 minus 27 is 8 over 63. So, sa step 4 natin, simplify the fraction if possible. Take note of the word if possible. So, we have no common factors for 8 and 63. Therefore, 5 over 9 minus 3 over 7 is equal to 8 over 63. Okay, so another example is 4 over 7 minus negative 1/3. So, step 1, get the LCD. 7 times 3 will give us 21. So, gawin natin yung mas madaling paraan. Cross-multiply natin. Multiply the numerator of the first fraction to the denominator of the second fraction. So, 4 times 3, it will give us 12. Tapos, carry lang natin yung minus na operation natin. And then, for step 3, multiply naman natin yung numerator ng second fraction to the denominator of the first one. So, 7 times 1, we have negative 7. So, bakit negative? Kasi negative yung sign natin sa 1/3. So, yung sign nung 1/3, ilagay natin dun sa 1. So, meron na tayong negative 7. Now, next step is to apply now the addition of integers. So, finalize natin yung operation kasi dalawa na yung magkatabing operation. Minus and negative 7. So, gagawin natin, carry muna natin yung 12. Tapos, multiply natin negative times negative, it will give us positive operation. Then, 7 over 21. So, ayan, na-finalize na natin yung operation. Pwede na tayong mag-sum up. So, 12 plus 7 is equal to 19 over 21. So, last step is to simplify the fraction if possible. So, wala naman tayong nakikitang common factors ng 19 and 21. Therefore, it only means that 4 over 7 minus negative 1/3 is equal to 19 over 21. Now, it's your turn. Subtract the following fractions. Number 1, 5 over 21 minus negative 12 over 21. Number 2, 4 over 9 minus 1/2. Time starts now! Mga sagot, number 1, 17 over 21. Number 2, negative 1 over 18. Nakuha mo ba? Congratulations!
Like and subscribe. Tutor Med.